Hello once again, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. We are today is Australia Day. It's Wednesday, January 26, 2011. Happy Australia Day to the Aussies out there. Yesterday, obviously, was the State of the Union address. Obama spoke, and we took advantage of some trading opportunity today, or I should say, take advantage of a trading opportunity this morning. Now, we are getting very, very, very close to the launch of our TCB crude oil product. More importantly, taking in 10 new traders to our trading room. If you are interested at all, or you want to be in the loop for our next trading class, maybe the timing's not right for you. Now, if you come to our homepage here at Knight Capital Management, what you want to do, and this will all stay here, the early bird list will obviously stay here, because if you miss it this time, we'll be teaching it again. With that being said, the ones that are coming into this course, the 10 traders that we start with, are going to get a very, very special deal, and I just want to make sure that you're aware of that, and we look forward to sharing a lot more details real soon. And anyway, so we're getting very close to launching out this product. Now what you want to do is just come to our homepage, press TCB Crude Oil, read this, get started. I have a PDF document that you can go ahead and read. It's I've taken some time, and I'm actually developing this out to include the rest of the day count here. We're going through 30 days. Obviously, you can read it in one session probably, but 30 days of trading information and inspiration, and obviously day 8 and 30 is coming with the TCB crude oil product itself. What else? A couple videos here, me talking. If you want to see me talk, me explaining some of the video itself. I believe this is 15 minutes long, so give yourself a little bit of time. But more importantly, to get on the early bird list, all you got to do is press this get started right here, fill out your information, follow the instructions, put a valid email address in here, guys. Otherwise, you will not get on the early bird list. That's no exceptions to that. If you don't put a valid email address, you will not get on. Make sure you obviously approve spam filters and whatnot that you need, and you will be on our early bird list, ready for our product launch, or if timing obviously isn't right for you at this point in time, maybe in the future. So outside of that, our home, we do have our free trading strategy still, the E-mini bull bear. We'll be developing this out further at some point when we're ready to launch that out. Lots of good stuff. It continues to be built, but we're getting ready for, I believe, our best strategy that I've ever come up with coming out here at this point in time, coming out very soon. Alright, so that's about all I want to talk about there. Let's talk about the trade itself that we had this morning, and then I also want to show some proof here for those that don't think I really trade. So I know you heard it before, those that trade and whatnot, and those that teach can't trade and whatever. So anyway, so we were able to get in here at 86.32, and this is my platform for the day. Now we are, like I mentioned, we're trading one contract. Today's stop loss and profit target was 20 ticks, and since I'm only trading one, I used a simple bracket, not the multi-bracket setup that I do have as well. But we are moving with one contract until we build up enough leverage so that we can get more. Now you notice we had 20 ticks. We're able to reach our target. And where is my statement? Let me pull that out for you. Just give me 1 second to pull it across. And you see that we got in at 86.32 this morning right here. Was able to exit at 86.52 at our 1R target. We had a 2R target, and then we followed through with those in the room that were looking to continue this trade on if it was going to see some movement. It did have an exit here at 86.33 all out. So that being said, the trade itself came in. Actually, it was kind of a cool trade, believe it or not. This bar, this one right here, comes down, tries to attempt to close underneath the low of previous day, does not, closes above. Next bar acts kind of like a spike reversal bar, like a blue triangle here. We find our entry point off of this bar, and we trade it up through the 200 bar this morning on the 5-minute chart. And all out was looking for a continuation move, maybe even all the way up here if we were to continue to see some strong movement. Obviously the market decided. Now there's a reason why this market is doing what it's doing today, and I want to share that information with you because I think it's important. In Forex Factory, let me just minimize this a little bit. We noticed that we had some red reports coming out, and we were looking at the 1030 mark ourselves personally. We had a surprise in the crude oil inventories come out here at 4.8 million, expecting 0.9 million. The previous was 2.6. Looking at the chart system here, notice that this is one of the most blown reports out there, which is actually good for traders, obviously, right? This kind of stuff is good. Like, look here, look, this was the forecast right here, and here right there is the actual. Here's the forecast right here, here's the actual. Here's the forecast right here, here's the actual. Here's the negative forecast from last week, here's the positive actual. They mess this report all the time. All the time. Gives us excellent trading opportunities on the crude oil inventory day. I mean, you could probably just trade this day alone, one day a week, and be fine with this strategy, by the way. More importantly today, why over actually the last 2 days did we kind of stagnate in between areas? And it has to do a lot with this right here, obviously, right? The FOMC statement and the federal funds rate coming out. Very, very important report outside of the employment report on Friday that comes out once a month, the first Friday of every month usually, normally. Outside of that report, this is probably the second most report that you want to be extremely cautious. Never hold a position into this. Obviously, if you've got a ton of money, then ignore everything I said because it doesn't matter. Plus, you're not listening to me anyway. So anyway, so we're building our account. And one thing I wanted to kind of show you is we're actually going to Google Docs. I've actually put this out here on Google Docs, and I'm actually showing it to everyone. Now, I started the year at $5,066. This is, and I wanted to prove that you can start with a $5,000 account and you can build it and continue to build it and whatever, it doesn't matter. But anyway, so we started with 5,066. That was my starting balance at the beginning of 2011. This was actually taken from statement date 1/10/2011. And let me go back here and pull up another one. And we had, I think this day was a good day. Let me double check here. Yeah, we were able to take $244 out this day, and we had another good day that we traded for $260, and we were up 5,504. And we had another day that last week wasn't that great. A lot of well, we just kind of managed, just barely squeaked by with, I believe, just a little bit of a gain during the week. And we finished the week up at 5,558, and that's where I started today's trading session here. $5,558. Now, if you add 194, because I'm getting $6 commission cost per round turn. Now, obviously, you can do better or worse with that. That's what I'm paying on my particular. So I'm sitting here at today's the 26th of January at account balance in our room at 5,752. We've pretty much taken the 90-minute time frame that I've been talking about and proven that you can make money trading. So what are we up? 5,066, 5,752, $686. Now, it's not a huge amount of money, but I know a lot of people that lose a lot of money trading futures. This is the way to trade this market, and I can prove it. So hopefully that helps some of the naysayers and doubters and the BSers that are out there and whatever. It doesn't matter. And if you don't believe me, well, personally, I don't care. So anyway, I hope you have a great trading day. I hope you have a great trading week. I hope you consider our crude oil trading strategy that we're looking to build from the ground up. It's going to be a 90-day course, very intensive, lots of fun. Learn how to trade, or if you're a good trader now, learn a new strategy and learn how to trade the crude oil market profitably. I think that's the most important point about all of this. All right, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Once again, if you want to get in on our early bird list, time is running out for this particular class. Come in here on our home web page, sign in, get started, get involved. We'll see you later. See you on the next video. Dave Knight, Knight Capital Management. Take care, everyone. We'll see you on our next video. Bye now.